Good morning traders and welcome to the Daily Call today, Wednesday the 13th of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Alright, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. The only data to be released was from the US. We saw the CPI and core CPI numbers come out at negative 0.8% and negative 0.4% respectively. Whilst they were very close to the forecasted figure, it still was the steepest decline in consumer prices ever recorded. US dollar traded lower against all of the major currencies yesterday. One of the only currencies that didn't benefit from dollar weakness was our own Aussie dollar. That was predominantly on the back of imposed halts on our meat from China into of our exported meat, locally into China. So trade tensions are increasing between Australia and China and did not help our own Aussie dollar, particularly against the Euro AUD, which basically leads me to our chart of the day. If you recall, yesterday I showed you a Euro AUD chart. Now that has moved strongly in our direction again as a result of Australian dollar weakness, and we've just about hit target on that one, so just keep your eye out on that. We're on my charts, I'm around about 3-5 pips away from my target there. Today I'm looking at the euro yen, and as you can see from my chart, we are in downtrend. Okay, we did have this little hiccup through this section there. However, we didn't break that top, so we are still in downtrend. And what I'm noticing on this particular pair is that we have pulled back just now. And if we could produce our price action reversal pattern somewhere in that region where I've highlighted there, those candles. Now the little blue one, that's this morning's candle, so it's only about an hour into formation. If we can produce that reversal pattern there, well then that'll open up the door and give us the opportunity to trade in a downward direction in trend continuation. So there you have it. This morning our chart of the day is the euro yen. Alright, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? It is a big session for any Kiwi dollar traders. At midday today we have the official cash rate and their RBNZ's monetary policy statement which is due out. Now, whilst interest rates are touch and go whether they reduce, it's got to be a fine balance whether if they want to keep stimulating that economy, they can either do it by reducing their interest rates or increasing their QE program. At this stage, most analysts believe that it's a higher probability of a QE increase rather than a rates drop. So let's look out, see what happens there. That's at midday. 1 hour later, they'll actually give their press conference. Then we have at 4 o'clock this afternoon from the UK, we have the prelim GDP numbers, and then at 11 o'clock this evening from the US, Fed Chair Powell is due to speak. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.